Bonjour mes étudiants. Good morning students. Today we are going to learn chapitre 3 Les habits. So what will we learn in this chapter? So in our previous chapter we learned some first group of verbs and their conjugation. And in this chapter we learn what are the rules of to conjugate the verb. So let's start. Hey Paul, did you know the world's first fashion magazine was launched in the 17th century in France?
Oh, that's why France is now the fashion capital of the world.
In French, there are three types of verbs or groups which we have to study. So, first group, in first group, verbs are ending with er. In the second group, verbs are ending with ir. And third group, verbs are ending with re. So, see the example of each group. So, in the first group, verbs are ending with er, that's why it is first group. In the second group, verbs are ending with ir, like finish, choisir, okay? And third group, verbs are ending with re, attendre, permettre, okay? And in this chapter, we will study the first two groups, okay? Let's start to conjugate the verb. So first we will conjugate first group of verb, that is er group. Okay. Example, parler, aimer. To conjugate this first group, we have to follow two steps. First, we will remove er from the end of the verb to form the radical. So, let's see example, verb porter. Here, we will remove er, then we will get port. So, this is our radical. Radical means stem. This radical will remain same for all the subjects. And after removing this, we will follow the second step. So in second step, we add the following verb endings to the radical according to the subject. For the subject ja, we will add a at the end of the radical. Q, AF, il, a, l, a. In the new form, we will add ons, vous, az, il, ant, el, ant. So, after adding these endings, we will get our conjugated form of the verb. So, let's conjugate that verb porter, okay? Porter means to carry or to wear, okay? So, je porte, here I add a at the end of the radical. In the Q form, I add as. Il form, a, and L, I add a at the end of the radical. So here, now I get the conjugation of this verb in the singular. So I am pronouncing it. Je porte means I wear. Tu portes you wear or you are wearing. Il porte, he wears, he is wearing. Elle porte, she wears, she is wearing. Plurial, I add ONA at the end of the radical for the new form. In whole form, I add AZ. In plurial, I will add ANT, and L plurial, I will add ANT. So now I get the conjugated form of verb porter. Nous portons, vous portez, il porte, elle porte. Now let's form the sentence. Nous portons une chemise bleue. That is, we wear a blue shirt. Or, we are wearing blue shirt. One more example of it. Je porte une jupe rouge. I am wearing a red skirt. Let's see one more example of the first group. Aimer means to love or to like. So here verb starts from the vowel. So for the first person singular, I will put apostrophe. Okay? So j'aime, tu aimes, il aime, elle aime. Nous aimons, vous aimez, ils aiment, elles aiment. Example of verb aimer. J'aime la couleur bleue. I like blue color. J'aime la couleur rouge. I like red color. Let's see few more examples of ER ending verbs. Jouer, to play. Il joue au bloc. Écouter, to listen. J'écoute la radio. Étudier, to study. Ils étudient le français. Arriver, to arrive. Ils arrivent à l'aéroport. Accepter, to accept. J'accepte votre l'invitation. Donner, to give. Est-ce que tu me donnes ton stylo? Parler, to talk, to speak. Je parle गुजराती, हिंदी, anglais et français. Allumer, to light. J'allume la lumière. Montrer, to show. Je te montre ma photo. Marcher, to walk. Je marche dans la rue. Préparer, to prepare. Je prépare le déjeuner. Laver, to close. Il ferme la fenêtre. Laver, to wash. Elle lave les vaissons. Crier, to shout. Il crie. Pleurer, to cry. Il pleure. Payer, to pay. Je paye l'addition. Merci. Au revoir.